Oh no, what happened? Oh shoot. Welcome back everyone. Tonight I'm working on the Derby. I need to make a sprocket spacer so I can space out the sprocket and center the motor. I'm going to use this huge hunk of aluminum and I'm probably going to drill a hole in it and then turn this down to fit in that hole and thread the other side and make that work somehow. Got our hole. According to my calculations, that should be perfect. Oh, look at that. Alright, I turned this down. This now fits on there. Now I'm going to turn it the rest of the way down so I can thread it for an M12 nut. And then I'm going to cut off these edges. We can check where we are. We're at 12 millimeters. Now I'm going to cut a little bevel so it threads better. Idea was put this in here, 12, put that on here, and then I can turn this in the lathe, but it is too big, so I do have to take off the corners, and I think the easiest way to do that is just with an angle grinder. We can put this on, see if it fits. It's really close, but it fits. Woo! Making progress. Oh no, what happened? Oh shoot. Well, I accidentally somehow destroyed some gears in my lathe. So I'm gonna order some new ones. I'm gonna order metal ones. I'm gonna put those in and then I will get back to work. But I did make good progress on the spacer. I just have to do a little bit more, and I need the lathe for that, so I'll order the parts and put it back together. Thank you for watching. I will see you all later.